Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect CJ Dropshipping with Shopify in 2025 and start your first dropshipping store step by step, even if you are a complete beginner. Let's first of all let's talk quickly about what CJ Dropshipping is. CJ Dropshipping is a drop product sourcing and fulfillment service tailored for dropshippers. It connects directly to your Shopify store, helping you import products, automate order processing, and ship globally, often faster and cheaper than AliExpress. If you haven't already, you will need a Shopify store. You can sign up at shopify.com. Once signed in, set up your store name, click on settings, then my store, and name it like that. Add a logo and choose a theme. Again, click the pencil icon or click on this logo, then upload icon and upload your image from your desktop. Make sure your payment gateways and dropshipping zones are configured too. Now let's jump into connecting CJ Dropshipping. Head over to cjdropshipping.com and create an account if you don't have one. Once logged in, go to my CJ dashboard. Then click authorization, then Shopify and add store. Have already activated stores like that. From here, you will be able to import products directly. Now it's time to find winning products. Use CJ's product search to browse items by niche, shipping country, or warehouse. Found something you like, click on list. Listing records. Then click add product and choose from here like that. And scroll down and click list and type your product type, vendor, title, then collection and tag. Then click list it now. When a customer places an order, it will appear in CJ under dropshipping orders. Select the order, then click submit and pay for the item. CJ handles the packing and shipping for you. Tracking numbers are automatically synced to your Shopify orders, so your customers get updates without any manual work. Here are a few tips to improve your success with CJ Dropshipping. Tip 1. Use US or EU warehouse for faster delivery. Tip 2. Communicate with a CJ agent for custom packaging or bulk orders. Tip 3. Test product samples for quality before scaling. Tip 4. Optimize your product descriptions and photos, make them unique. And that's how you use CJ Dropshipping with Shopify in 2025. Whether you are launching your first store or scaling an existing one, CJ can save time and boost your profit margins. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. I have also linked the sign up links for CJ and Shopify Blue. Check them out.